Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate PBS Kids on Xbox Series X using Chromecast, follow these step-by-step instructions to provide educational entertainment for your children. Step 1. Ensure your Xbox Series X console is properly connected to your TV and your home network. A stable internet connection is necessary for streaming. Step 2. Set up your Chromecast device if you haven't already. Connect it to an available HDMI port on your TV and ensure it's on the same Wi-Fi network as your Xbox. Step 3. On your mobile device or tablet, download the PBS Kids video app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install and open the app. Step 4. Launch the PBS Kids video app and look for the cast icon in the upper corner of the screen. Tap this icon to begin casting. Step 5. Select your Chromecast device from the list of available casting devices. Your content will now stream to your TV. Step 6. While casting, navigate to the Settings or Account section in the PBS Kids app if you want to activate additional features or create profiles for your children. Step 7. If prompted for an activation code, visit the PBS Kids activation website on a computer or another device and enter the code displayed on your TV screen. Step 8. Browse the extensive library of educational PBS Kids content and select what you'd like your children to watch. The content will play on your TV through Chromecast while you control it from your mobile device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.